Hi everybody! For this activity, I will be showing you how to create a pie graph in Google Sheets that shows the star ratings of customer reviews for a product on Amazon. The product that we will be using for this activity is a GoPro Hero 10 Black. So we're going to use the following link to create a pie chart that shows the customer reviews for the following product. So we're going to click on the link for the GoPro Hero 10 Black, and that will take us to Amazon's website. Next, we're going to scroll down. And as you can see, the customer reviews are listed right here. So we're going to use this information to help us create our pie chart. So what I have done is I have created a Google Sheet and labeled it Amazon Customer Reviews Pie Graph. So we're going to come over to that. And then in cell A1, we're going to type in star rating. And then in cell B1, we're going to type in percentage. Now we are ready to start entering the information. So for 5 stars, we have 77%. For 4 stars, we have 10%. For 3 stars, we have 4%. For 2 stars, we have 2%. And for 1 star, we have 7%. Now that all of the information has been entered, we are ready to create our pie graph. So we're going to come up and select Insert, and then we're going to select Chart. And this will create our pie graph. So as you can see here, for 1 star we have 7%. For 2 stars, we have 2%. For 3 stars, we have 4%. For 4 stars, we have 10%. And for 5 stars, we have 77%. The last thing that we are going to do is label our pie graph. We're going to call it Star Rating Percentages for GoPro Hero 10 Black. All right, So that is how to create a pie graph in Google Sheets that shows the star ratings of customer reviews for a product on Amazon. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day.